Hello, this is Miss Chambers, and I'm going to show you how to translate a polygon by using the coordinate plane and a vector. So here the problem says translate the polygon by the indicated vector. And remember, the vector is the arrow that tells you the distance and the direction of your translation. So here we have triangle BOY, and I am supposed to translate it to the direction of the vector, which would be up and to the left, and the distance. And the way we figure out the distance is we've got to go back to algebra and think about slope, because when we did our activity we realized that not only are all the segments that connect the pre-image to the image the same length, but they're also parallel. So I can use the slope of the vector to help me translate this triangle. So to find slope, don't forget we use rise over run. So we start at the end point of the vector. We'll figure out how far we rise and how far we run to get to the other end of the vector. Remember, it's directional, so this will be your end point here, and the arrow is pointing in that direction. So that tells me I've got to go up and actually to the right. I think I said left earlier, but I get those confused sometimes, and that's alright. Alright, so let's see here. It's up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go to each vertex of my triangle, and I'm going to move up 4 and to the right 4, and I'm going to make my new point, which would be the image, because remember my original is the pre-image. So starting at B, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, place the point, and then you want to make sure you label it as the image, so it's going to become B prime. Remember that little apostrophe is your prime symbol. Okay, next one is O, so I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, it's like a dance, and then this will give me O prime. And the last one would be Y, so go to Y, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be Y prime. And the last thing I do is I connect those 3 points with my segments to create the translated triangle. That would be my image. And so now I have my translated triangle that's been translated in the direction and the distance of the vector, which was up 4 to the right 4.